Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll be unboxing the new Aqara Opple wireless smart switch. This is a Zigbee 3.0 device, and in order to use it you need either a car gateway or the new Xiaomi Media multimode gateway with Zigbee 3.0. These devices are available at various Chinese e-shops like Banggood or AliExpress. The 6-button model costs around 15 to 17 US dollars, and the 2 and 4 button versions are exactly $1 US cheaper each. This one is mainly interesting because of two features. First is that there are 6 independent buttons, which is more than any other switch. And the second feature is they are detachable. There is a base which you stick or screw onto the wall, and the unit itself is held by a magnet. So you can either use it as a classic wall switch, but also take it down and put it anywhere and use it like a remote controller. Each button can be programmed to execute different actions on single press, double press, and long press, which gives us a total of 18 different combinations. That means that you can have multiple scenarios with a single switch. Dimensions of this switch are 86 x 86 x 15 millimeters, and these switches work on single CR2032 battery, which is included. The battery life is similar to other wireless switches and is estimated to around 2 years. These switches also support Apple HomeKit, and there is intelligent linkage function, but it is supported only with the Aqara gateway. The switch seems well built and the buttons have nice feedback on press. And that's about it as far as this switch is concerned. In my next video, we'll try to connect it to Media Multimode Gateway with Zigbee 3.0 and configure some actions. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.